Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to trim a video on your Windows 11 for free without using any software. Okay, so for this guys, first you need to right click on your video file like this and open this video on your Photos app like this. After opening the video, here you can get one trim option in the top side of your video trim. As you can see, just click on it and select the part of your video which you want to trim like this. After this guys, here you can get the option save as. Just click on it, that's it. It will save a copy of your video file. Just you select your file location where you want to save and click on save option, that's it. It will start the save process. As you can see, now your video file was completely trimmed. So this is the very easy and very simple method to trim a video on your Windows 11 for free without using any software. So that's it for today guys, a short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy our video, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.